Why do 30% of PC users struggle with RAM issues? Let's uncover some solutions. High RAM usage can make your computer crawl. Let's tackle this step by step. First, identify resource-hungry processes. Open Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC, check the Processes tab, and sort by memory usage. For more detail, use the Resource Monitor. Next, reduce startup programs. In Task Manager, go to the Startup tab and disable the non-essentials, or use misconfig to manage them. Check for memory leaks. Watch for apps that consume more RAM over time. Update or reinstall problematic software. Adjust virtual memory settings. Right-click this PC, go to Properties, Advanced System Settings, then tweak your virtual memory under the Performance tab. Consider upgrading your RAM. If you're a heavy user, 16 GB or more might be ideal. Ensure compatibility with your motherboard. Optimize system settings. Disable fancy visuals and tweak power settings for efficiency. Clear cache and uninstall unused apps. Use disk cleanup and remove old programs. Run a malware check. Use Windows Defender to scan for threats. Finally, keep your operating system updated. If issues persist, advanced diagnostics like the Windows Performance Toolkit might help. Like and share if you found this helpful.